My sister, yeah, good evening. My brother and sister, now well done. Yeah, good evening. My closure. So I want to talk for the concerning the Zaga where they go for Facebook, where they go for social media. Concerning first lady and the German first lady and the husband. So only one thing we may want to talk for inside BC. German first lady. Now you want to talk to. May you try me take things easy. You understand? Being the use until the make parable say, don't be as body to trash person. Don't be supposed to the trasher. If you see me you use the way body to trash you, me it is trasher. The whole body will pee. I understand your pains, I understand your feelings, I understand your tears. You understand? But I will advise you as a sister, I don't know you before. I do always see you for social media. Sometimes I'll still watch your video. Depends on the title, I'll still watch them. When I title I don't still like, I'll still pass. So me and you never talk one day. So I know as I talk about before, you're not my sister, I'll not be your sister, we are not friends. But I mean that kind of person will be say, even though say me and you not get with it and I can't say something the day wrong. I must like to tell you, say which you do so. You're not good or you're good. So it no matter say we be friends or we not be friends, it no matter. Make I not tell you within my mind because it pain me. The way I tell here the whole issue. It's possible say I don't know as everything it starts. Which we will they listen to now. We not go feel know as everything it starts. Now alone now. We be a show na know as the shoot the pion for leg. But one thing I want to tell you, first lady, even those who your husband, mama, people will not love you. Not scratch your body the way they pain you. They look your children eye. They look your husband eye. Now only if your husband tell you say he don't want you again. Now you will say, okay, my husband. Even though say your husband still tell you say he don't want you. Now your duty, may you try make you arrange your home. Why? Because of your children. Arrange your home because of your children. Maybe a lot of things don't happen will make you feel pain. A lot of things don't happen will make you cry. Then my sister, the time my mother they alive, she use until they make parable say. Any of you pikin we marry. Not be even parable say she they talk and say any of you pikin we marry. We don't even born. They not dear. Try and come up for their husband house. Because she get reason why she did talk. I understand why she did talk and be say. At the end of the day, you know we can't like what you do, German first lady. At the end of the day, you know we like what you do. So I for advise you, my sister, stay your husband house. As far as you don't be your husband, tell you me you come out. You understand? I never know whether I tell you, but the way I tell listen to the video, I'm not sure saying I tell you see me you come out. Try making ignore waiting in-laws talk. Whether they don't like you, and I make you say you want come out, or a whole lot of things don't happen, and I make you say you want come out. They look your children face. They look your husband face. I wish you never born for that man now. Now you just say you don't want marriage again. Me everybody doing you. Me I don't get problem with you with that one. Because you know so now your single life now you talk about. But this time around now, you don't born 4 children for this man. You understand? So it's not go easy for you to take care of those children alone. Especially for those children are still very young. It's not easy to take care of those children alone for Europe. You understand me, so? The advice where they advise you, I'm not telling you 100% when you take on. But if you not still take on, time dey come you go remember wetin me I talk. You understand? Na me dey talk. You understand? I no do live video, but I just relax beside my bed when I dey lis ten to your video. Now say make I do audio video. I no dey hide my face dey talk. My name na Shoge Amans. If you search me for YouTube, you will see me. If you search me for Facebook, you will see me. Shoge Amans TV. Na I dey talk. You understand? Ignore anything wey be say e don fit happen between you and your mother-in-law. Look your husband face. Look your pikin face. You understand wetin I dey tell you, so my sister? May not come be say later you come dey regret. As far as your husband never beat you through away your things, stay with your husband. Take care of your children. Let those children, let them grow under their father. You and their father, make una take care of the children together. There is nothing like children wey be say ma and mama, papa and mama take care of. It's very good. If you don't understand, because may God not let you make the mistake of leaving your husband. But if you can't set like that, say it can't happen like that, you will remember what they talk. Not try, my sister. You understand me? So not trying. Stay your husband house, no matter how the pepper reach. Manager. If pepper the pepper person for body, get where you go reach, the pepper will come this soft. Every day you the hustle for your own mind now, you dey feel say the thing it does spoil. No. Enter and step God may go and arrange your marriage for you. You understand me? So I don't know what really dey happen, but no matter anything will happen, my sister. Look your children face, maybe you look your husband face. And yourself now you see the one for. If you love your marriage and no man will ever take you, before you see man will say will take you serious again before children. It will be by the grace of God. Men will they come, but they will do anyhow. My sister, not leave your home for any woman to come in. Not leave your home for devil to come in. Not leave your home for Satan to come in. Not leave your home for you to go and start from square one again. It doesn't worth it. With the thought say the one we will get is not good, what about the one we will never see? No one good. Now person hand, that person they repair waiting person gets. No matter what people they talk, they go say Wajama first lady. And so you reach and tell your husband, or so you put your husband beside bottle. Let all those things pass back of your ear. You understand me, so my sister? If you take my word, take her. If you not take her, leave her. I know why I did talk to you. Aspect of your mother-in-law. If you're listening to me, I don't know what will be your name, mother-in-law. If your pikin marry wife at the beginning, you don't like the wife. You don't love her, you don't like her, you don't want me your pikin marry her. At the end of the day, they can't succeed marry themselves. Remove your eye there. They look the children with them born. May you take forgive them no matter anything with them do, madam. I don't know you, I don't know your own side of the story, but no matter anything with them do, because of your grandchildren, you will let go. Wetin go just come happen reach like that, wey be so now just come social media, come dey talk about family matter, wey be say the whole world go come dey talk for inside. Make una try, make una sit down, make una arrange una sef. People wey dey come dey talk put now, many dey laugh for inside. Mother-in-law, I beg. Anything wey this woman do you, forgive her. She come your house, she not clean. She come your house, she not sweep. Forgive her because of your grandchildren. All these things when they do, so no, not forget say this social media, and they go there forever. The children they grow, they come, they listen to all these things, which is very bad. If it's more picking, if big person not grow, at least small one will still grow. Maybe they try, maybe they use sense to do something because of children when they grow, you come. Mother-in-law, I don't know wetin dey happen. Try support your pikin. Try support your pikin family. Dey happy say your pikin get this kind of beautiful family. Anything wey your pikin wife do, call am. It's still your daughter. E just be like your own daughter wey be say you go born. Call am, talk to am. Tell am say, my pikin, this thing wey you dey do so I no like am. Even without your own pikin no hear am. You go advise am. Get the way wey be say you take talk to her, she go understand you. Quarrel no go come for you to come dey exchange word with your own pikin wife. You dey carry yourself down like that. E no good. So abeg, two of una na me dey talk to. Mama and the in-law. Make una try. Make una consider this whole matter because of the children. The zaga wey dey social media because of this issue is too much. E no good. You understand? So peace everyone. I just pray that everything will come down in a good way. That Jama First Lady and the husband will dey like as they did before. So peace. Bye.